pat, pat. There. Your mwah. Da, 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 da. That's my girl. Woo woo! Moi moi kyun. Moi moi kyun. Maybe others want the world, and I just want you. You're my whole world. Keep words away from me, my mind. Nothing I say now will help. Dolls. Oh, you guys are being so supportive. Thank you. I love you. I love you too. Thank you. How often have I said to you that when you have eliminated the impossible, whatever remains, however improbable, must be the truth? Nyan nyan. Nyan nyan. Do you know these words? I love you, Vox. Mwah. I can't say I know what they mean, but hey, stop getting distracted. Focus. All right? You're gonna do fine. Good luck. You throw me a kiss. And I got it in my hand. Yeah. There you go. You've done a great job, good girl.
I'm fine.
Guys, I was joking. I was joking. I'm not joking. I'm fine. I am doing what I love. I really love doing this. This is a lot of fun. And sprinkle smoked paprika on the top. Perfection. Like that. They like that. Good boy. I love you. I love you too. Wink. Good night. Sleep well. Mwah. There you go. I'll just have to... Alright, shotgun blast. There you go. Mwah. I just saw someone in chat say, Ayo, thanks for the spit. Oyasumi. Aishiteru. Aishiteru. Oyasumi. Aishiteru. Oh, I love that. Japanese is such a beautiful language. It really is. Wai ni, which is the Chinese version of I love you. Yoroshiku nya. Can you give a kiss, please? I love you so much. Mwah. Come here, Koneko-chan. Come on, you idiot. Wake up. Mwah. Can you please say, Mahal kita? It means I love you in Tagalog, Philippines. Thank you. I hope I pronounced that right. Mwah. Mahal kita. I'll say it again. Uide, Koneko-chan. Please keep giving us kisses and spit. Te amo. Mwah. Praise the sun. Thank you and love you, my lord. Mwah. Oh, well, what I need. Oh, I love that. Jukebox. That's cute. I'm writing that down as well. Hey, you've been doing so well recently. Don't fail me now. Get out of bed and get on with the day. I believe in you, okay? Mwah. And I love cats that you can have conversations with. Like, you'll just kind of turn to the cat and you'll be like, you good? And the cat's like, and you're like, oh yeah? Then what happened? And it just kind of goes on like that. Ohayo, kawaii-ko-chan. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that correctly. Oh no, it's pretty scary out here. There is fanfic about me, an archive of our own. Holy shit. Good night, penguin. Thank you. Love you. Thank you. Don't be so silly. Oh, that doesn't feel good. I don't like being mean. Hey, I know you're enjoying the stream, but you really should finish your bloody paper. Concentrate, alright? Nenaiku wa oshioki da yo. Did I say that correctly? Aishiteru. Eh. I did it! Hooray! Je t'aime, mon chaton. Je t'aime, mon chaton. You're all getting kisses today. Mwah. Mwah. Take it home. Take it to the bank. Mwah. Ah! I didn't even notice I made that noise. I was just genuinely so stunned by what had happened to me. Quite yabai. 사랑해요? 사랑해요? Is that correct? You know the rules, and so do I. Love you, choo. Turn to page 394. Pick a god and pray. Pick a god and pray. But here is the last thing I'll say. Good morning, love. It's time to get up, darling. Come on now. Open those eyes. There you go. The sun has risen and calls to you. Thank you. PP Poo Poo has tipped $5. Somebody please clip that out of context. PP Poo Poo.